Once upon a time, in the magical land of Egglandia, the Easter Bunny had a big problem. He woke up one morning to find that all his eggs were missing. "Oh no!" cried the Easter Bunny, hopping around in a panic. "I need those eggs to hide for the children's Easter egg hunt." He knew he needed help, so he hopped over to Chef Beary and his team at the Mini Chef's Academy. "Chef Beary, I need your help," he exclaimed. "All my eggs have been stolen, and I need to make new ones for the children's Easter egg hunt." Chef Beary nodded sympathetically. "Don't worry, Easter Bunny. We'll help you make new eggs," he said reassuringly. "But first, we need to gather all the ingredients." The Easter Bunny's ears perked up with excitement. "What ingredients do we need?" he asked eagerly. Chef Beary checked his recipe book. "We'll need flour, sugar, butter, and lots of colourful decorations," he replied. "And of course, we'll need lots and lots of eggs." The mini chefs got to work, gathering all the ingredients they needed. Bunny Baker counted out the eggs, making sure they had enough for the recipe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. "We need lots more eggs," he called out. Chef Beary measured out the flour and sugar, pouring them into a big mixing bowl. "Careful not to spill," he warned as he stirred the ingredients together. Meanwhile, Chef Squirrel melted the butter in a saucepan, his whisk moving in quick circles. "Whisk, whisk, whisk," he sang as he poured the melted butter into the bowl. Once all the ingredients were mixed together, Chef Beary divided the dough into small balls and flattened them into egg shapes. "Look at all those eggs!" exclaimed the Easter Bunny, clapping his paws with delight. But the eggs were still missing something. "They need decorations," cried Bunny Baker, grabbing handfuls of colourful sprinkles and chocolate chips. Chef Beary helped him sprinkle the decorations onto the eggs, making them look bright and beautiful. "They're like little works of art," he chuckled, admiring their handiwork. Finally, the eggs were ready to be baked. Chef Beary popped them into the oven, setting the timer and waiting anxiously for them to cook. As the delicious aroma of freshly baked eggs filled the kitchen, the Easter Bunny couldn't help but smile. "Thank you, Chef Beary and your team, for helping me make new eggs for the children's Easter egg hunt," he said gratefully. Chef Beary and his team grinned from ear to ear, proud of their Easter egg creations. With teamwork and determination, they had saved Easter and ensured that children all around the world would have a wonderful Easter egg hunt. And as they enjoyed their sweet treats together, they knew that their friendship and cooperation had made all the difference.